How to verify your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and go to youtube.com. Now tap on three dots and enable desktop site. Now tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now tap on YouTube Studio. Now at the bottom left corner, tap on settings. Now tap on channel. Now click on feature eligibility. Now tap on advanced features. Now tap on valid ID. Now click on learn more. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down. Now first of all, verify your phone number. Now to verify your phone number, tap on the first link. Now once you verify the phone number, scroll down. Now now tap on complete ID verification. Now tap on this link. Now wait for some time. Now click on next. Now select your ID type and tap on next. Now scroll down and click on I agree. Now give the permissions and verify your ID. Then you will be able to verify your YouTube channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.